everyone, I'm Lara Lee from TPM, and here we are in the Boston AIA Exhibition, and we are cooperating with IBES to have this exhibition show. Now, in the following, I would like to introduce our TPM demonstration. This is the first demonstration of TPM products. It's EtherCAT Star Kit. Now, let me introduce our products. From right to left, we have our power and the Smart Pack EtherCAT systems. In the middle is our 2-axis EtherCAT micro-step drivers. It can also control 2 motors. And on the left corner is our 207 ADIO kit. It contains ADI, ADO, AAI, and 2AO. The customers can easily to control it. And now that we move on to the utility. This is our TPM EK Navi utility, which is for the EtherCAT products. From this utility, we can control our master and the slaves. Here, we also have another EtherCAT product which is called AIA Terminal EZC series. This series also contains master and slaves. And the masters is the EtherCAT protocol. And through the EtherCAT protocol, we can use our CAN bus protocol to control our slaves. Here is our 8 golden plate terminal. This contains 8 signals: 24 VDC, 0 VDC, 5 VDC, 0 VDC, CAN plus, RS485 plus, CAN minus, and RS485 minus. And that's our EtherCAT demo star kit.